Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee on Couchbase. I'm excited to have Robin here today, who's representing his team and talking about an awesome app he and his team developed. So, Robin, if you don't mind, telling the audience a bit about your background and yeah, the app you guys built.
Hi, this is Robin. I comes from Install Studio, and I'm a developer of the FrontLog app. And you want to have a look? You can share my screen.
Yeah, love to see how the workflow is for your app. How long has FrontLog been in development?
It's been development for several years, and uh, we started the idea a long time ago. But only when the Couchbase Mobile is ready, yeah, we can really implement our ideas into application. Now here's our app. It's generally a task management tool designed for the teamwork, and it has a full feature. Uh, it has workflows and support tasks, both and all the things like. I can show something here, and I run two versions of the FrontLog side by side. One is from my iPhone, and the other one is from my Mac, and they are logged into different accounts, but they share one of the same logbook as just like in a team. And if, for example, I can create a new task here and under the shared logbook and assign to the other user.
Mhm.
You can see
Oh wow, that's quick.
the other user gets a new task assigned to him in the inbox, and he can check the work here, and he can leave some comment.
And then it comes to the iPhone client, I
Yeah,
presume. Okay.
yeah, right, and they can discuss the issue back and forth.
Okay. So that's when you're
And
connected, right?
yeah,
Oh wow, that's really fast. So you can send text. What else can you share across?
I can also, for example, I can add attachment here, add attachment here, save the attachment upload. Yeah, and
Shot the zebra over,
it takes some time
right?
for
Depending on the image
yeah.
size.
Here it comes.
Oh, I see. I
Here it
see
comes. Yes.
I see the icon there going.
Mm-hmm.
So this depends on your network connection. But let's say when you don't have a connection, what happens when someone attaches a file?
Because we use Couchbase Mobile, so it doesn't matter if the iPhone or the Mac is offline. All the data is still here, and you can just um, work as usual, create tasks, create comments, and when the network comes back, everything just everything just gets synced automatically. It's all powered by the Couchbase Mobile.
Cool. So, curious, since you talk about Couchbase Mobile here, like, how is it used in your app overall, and what do you think the benefits are for developers, and if you recommend it?
Uh, first of all, if you want to have the data synced into the cloud and make the replication through different users and different devices, and there's not much options we can choose, and Push Mobile is just one of the best, and it's much better and convenient to use than the iCloud solution provided by Apple. Mm, and second is very small and powerful, and is the launch latency is rather small and is fast and provides a convenient way to query and query the data and provide some very cool features like the live queries, which is very suitable for the Cocoa KVC structure. It's very convenient to use.
Yeah, that's really neat to hear. I definitely think it's definitely beneficial for developers, and like you said, it's a very small footprint inside your application. But curious, do you mind going through some of the like how did you design, let's say, the JSON data modeling here for your application and your scenario? Love to hear the design architecture and flow.
I can share some of my code here.
Oh, that's great.
Okay, we have a lot of data models. All of the data models are a wrapper of the Couchbase document, and we use a type to differentiate. Use type in the JSON so that we know which kind of documents reference to the class. We register the class with DBL model factory. Is very convenient to use, and the most part I like is live query. The live query provides a way to access. You can observe the database change instead of just query it times queries whenever the replication is over, or do some redundant queries, and you can just listen to the changes, and you can get the change automatically, and it's very convenient to use in the control view model.
How are you using live query in your scenario? Which particular features are you listening against?
For example, the unread count of the inbox. First, we build a view to map and reduce the unread count to map and reduce the unviewed count. And second, we create a live query. We create a live query of the for the unread account view, and then we observe the rows, and whenever the unread count changes, the view can get refreshed automatically, so that we don't need to query it again and again just to get the number.
That's neat. Yeah, there's different levels, right? You can listen in on the query level, on the database level, and of course on the document level. For you guys, what was the decision between which level to basically listen in on the changes?
We observe different things for different purposes. For example, we observe in the query level to refresh the list of the inbox, refresh and we also listen on the document level so that we can refresh like the task status. For example, one of the user closed tasks on their device, and all the other gets synced with the data, and the status just changed instantly on the view. It's all because we can observe the changes from the view in the document level. And we also have some observer to observe change in the database level. For example, we want to resolve conflicts. Whenever there's conflicts, we want to resolve it. This kind of observer is in the database level.
Yeah, that totally makes sense. What about some of the replication strategies that you guys have here? I'd love to hear how you use Couchbase for that solution.
Before there's Couchbase Mobile and the single way, we use our own we abstract the authentication layer with Node.js to do the authentication and data fetching things. And when there comes Couchbase Mobile and the single way, we replace it. We replace our own authentication layer with a single gateway, and we the very basic shared component of the FrontLog is logbooks. We separate each logbook. We assign it a channel. So a user can just subscribe the channel to subscribe the logbook. So all the team members and they can also they just subscribe the channel of the logbooks they share together, and so that they can share with all the data, all the data through one channel, and that's how it works, and is works very well with our application.
That makes total sense, and I totally see what the use case and how you're using this in the background for your app. Yeah, that's great, Rob. I'm curious, like, what are the future plans and for you and the team and for the application?
Now we are working on the next version of our tool, and we add some new cool features like the board, which is a list of the tasks which can be used in a meeting or Scrum or anything like that. And we also work some new communication ways like announcement. It will be released very soon. And in next step, we want to do some promotion and marketing to let more people to know our application. And we hope that people will like our application.
Yeah, absolutely. I think 2015 is a big year for you and the team. So wish you guys luck. I definitely want to keep a close eye and hear what you guys are up to, and definitely want to maybe have you back here talk about some of the other cool things you're building for FrontLog. So Robin, thank you for your time, and everyone who's listening in, thank you for joining us for Coffee on Couchbase, and I'll see you guys next time.
Thank you very much.
See you.
Bye. See you.